Hey there, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: ignoring women when it works and when it doesn't. Ignoring someone can be a complex strategy, and it's important to know when it's appropriate and when it's not. But before we jump in, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Let's get started. 1. When it works, mutual teasing. Ignoring someone can actually work in your favor when it's all in good fun, especially during mutual teasing and playful banter. In these situations, a bit of teasing can create a dynamic where both parties are engaged and enjoying the interaction. It's like a delightful dance of words, where both people are participating willingly. When done right, it adds a flirtatious and light-hearted element to the conversation, making it fun and memorable. Just remember that the key here is reciprocity. Both individuals should be in on the game for it to work like a charm. 2. When it doesn't, genuine concern. On the flip side, ignoring someone when there's a real concern or an important issue at hand is a big no-no. When there's something significant that needs addressing, communication should take center stage. Ignoring the issue can only lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations. In such cases, it's crucial to express your thoughts, feelings, and concerns openly. Ignoring these concerns can make things worse and may cause the other person to feel unheard and unimportant. Genuine, open communication is the foundation of resolving issues and maintaining healthy relationships, and it's something you should never ignore. 3. When it works, building mystery. Ignoring can be a powerful tool when it's about building mystery and intrigue in the early stages of a relationship or even in a long-term one. When used judiciously, it's like a dash of spice that keeps things exciting. It creates a sense of anticipation and curiosity, which can be very attractive. Think of it as the anticipation before opening a present. The intrigue is often part of the thrill. By maintaining a bit of distance at times, you allow room for curiosity to grow and for the other person to wonder about you. In this way, you can keep the relationship fresh and vibrant. 4. When it doesn't, disrespect. Ignoring someone should never be a means of showing disrespect or indifference. Whether it's intentional or not, making someone feel unimportant or dismissed is hurtful and damaging to any relationship. Everyone deserves respect in any interaction, and intentionally ignoring someone sends the message that you don't value their presence or feelings. Disrespectful behavior can erode trust and lead to resentment. It's always important to treat others with kindness and consideration, even when you're not interested in pursuing a deeper connection with them. Remember, it's possible to be kind and respectful even when you're not romantically interested in someone. 5. When it works, encouraging independence. Sometimes, ignoring can be a positive move when it encourages independence and self-growth. In a healthy relationship, it's vital for both individuals to maintain their own identities and personal growth. By occasionally giving each other space, you foster independence and personal development, which can lead to a more balanced and interdependent partnership. This approach recognizes that both people have unique needs and interests that should be nurtured. 6. When it doesn't, insecurity. On the other hand, ignoring someone due to insecurity or the desire for control can have detrimental effects on a relationship. Insecurity often leads to clingy behavior and a fear of giving the other person space. It's essential to address and overcome these insecurities in a relationship because they can smother the other person and lead to discomfort. Trust and open communication are the keys to a healthy and lasting relationship. Ignoring someone due to insecurity can create unnecessary tension and misunderstandings, so it's essential to work on building self-confidence and trust in any relationship. 7. When it works, relighting the spark. Ignoring someone can also work when it's a method to rekindle the spark in a long-term relationship. Over time, it's natural for the initial excitement to wane a bit. Ignoring, in the sense of creating a bit of emotional distance, can reignite passion and desire. It's like taking a step back to appreciate what you have and then coming back with renewed enthusiasm. This strategy can be particularly effective for couples who have been together for a long time and want to recapture the thrill of the early days. 8. When it doesn't emotional manipulation, however, using ignoring as a manipulation tactic is a damaging approach. In any relationship, honesty and sincerity should be the bedrock, and manipulation only erodes trust. It's important to be open about your feelings and needs rather than trying to manipulate someone's emotions to get your way. Emotional manipulation can lead to confusion and hurt, and it's always better to communicate your desires and concerns directly. In any healthy relationship, being straightforward and transparent is the best way to build trust and mutual understanding. 9. When it works setting boundaries, ignoring can work effectively when it's about setting healthy boundaries. Everyone needs their personal space and boundaries respected in a relationship. Sometimes, temporarily taking some distance can be a way of maintaining those boundaries, showing that you respect each other's individuality. These boundaries help create a sense of safety and comfort in the relationship, ensuring that both individuals can grow and thrive independently. 10. When it doesn't miscommunication. Yet, ignoring becomes counterproductive when it results in miscommunication or misunderstanding. If you're ignoring someone to send a message, but that message isn't clear or is being misinterpreted, you might end up creating more problems than you're trying to solve. It's important to ensure that the reasons behind your actions are well understood and that the other person doesn't feel abandoned or confused. 11. When it works giving space, ignoring someone can be beneficial when it's about giving them space when they need it. We all have moments when we require solitude or time to process our thoughts and emotions. By respecting their need for space, you're showing understanding and empathy. This can be particularly useful in moments of stress or personal challenges when someone might need some time to themselves to find clarity and regain their emotional balance. 12. When it doesn't avoidance, however, ignoring someone to avoid addressing issues or conflicts is problematic. Avoiding problems doesn't make them go away, it only delays the inevitable and often leads to more significant issues down the road. Healthy relationships require open and honest communication, especially when there are concerns or disagreements. Ignoring problems can cause resentment to build and can make the other person feel unheard or dismissed. It's always better to address issues directly, even if it means facing difficult conversations. 13. When it works expressing independence, ignoring someone can also be an effective way of expressing personal independence within a relationship. It's a way of showing that you value your own space and time to pursue individual interests and growth. Healthy relationships are built on interdependence, where both individuals maintain their sense of self while coming together to support each other. By acknowledging the importance of personal independence, you contribute to a balanced and thriving partnership. 14. When it doesn't dismissing feelings, ignoring is a harmful approach when it dismisses someone's feelings. In any relationship, empathy and understanding are paramount. It's essential to validate and respect the emotions and concerns of your partner. Disregarding someone's feelings can cause emotional hurt and strain the trust within the relationship. It's crucial to be attentive and responsive to your partner's emotions, as it fosters a sense of connection and support. 15. When it works, keeping the mystery alive, ignoring someone, in a playful way, can help keep the mystery alive in the early stages of a relationship. It's like adding a sprinkle of anticipation to the mix. The sense of wonder and curiosity that comes from a little distance can make those early moments more exhilarating. By maintaining a bit of intrigue, you create a sense of excitement and longing that can make the dating experience more engaging. 16. When it doesn't manipulating emotions, however, ignoring someone as a way to manipulate their emotions is detrimental to any relationship. Trust and transparency are the foundations of a healthy connection. Manipulating someone's emotions only leads to confusion and hurt feelings. It's far better to be straightforward and honest about your intentions and emotions. Building a relationship on trust and understanding is the most effective approach for fostering a genuine and lasting connection. 17. When it works, personal growth. Ignoring someone can be a constructive strategy when it's used as a means of focusing on personal growth and self-improvement. In any relationship, individual development is essential. By occasionally giving each other the space to pursue personal goals and aspirations, you encourage self-improvement. These moments of independence can lead to a more balanced and interdependent partnership where both individuals support each other's growth. 18. When it doesn't, playing mind games. However, using ignoring as a part of mind games is an unhealthy approach. Mind games can only erode trust and create confusion and frustration within the relationship. The best relationships are built on a foundation of trust, honesty, and open communication. Mind games may provide temporary amusement but often lead to more significant issues down the line. 19. When it works, reconnecting with self. Ignoring someone can work positively when it's about taking time to reconnect with oneself. In a relationship, it's important for both individuals to maintain a strong sense of self. Sometimes, taking a step back for personal reflection can help you gain clarity on your own needs, desires, and goals. It's like pressing the reset button on your relationship with yourself and, in turn, can contribute to a healthier partnership. 20. When it doesn't, prolonged silence. Yet, when ignoring leads to prolonged silence and emotional distance, it can be detrimental. Open communication is the bridge to closeness in any relationship. Prolonged silence can lead to feelings of isolation and a sense of disconnection. It's vital to maintain a balance between personal space and emotional connection to ensure that your relationship remains healthy and vibrant. In conclusion, ignoring women can be a double-edged sword. It can work in certain situations, like playfully building intrigue or giving space when needed. However, it can also be harmful when used for manipulation or as a way to avoid confronting important issues. Remember, every relationship is unique, and open communication is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, everyone, and may your relationships be built on trust, respect, and genuine communication.